In our previous lesson we looked at common content mistakes in essay writing. Today, we shall look at our second subheading, Common Stylish Mistakes in Essay Writing. This lesson is proudly brought to you by Salaposti Writers Association. 1. Word repetition. Here is the truth. Your essay will look boring and childish if you use the same lexical sets. So, use synonyms and word substitutes to avoid repeating the same nouns or verbs. 2. Overly formal or informal words and phrases. Many students forget that an academic essay requires a layer of vocabulary that we do not use in our everyday life. Never use slang expressions and non-standard verb forms like gotta or wanna in your academic papers. You should use formal constructions and high-level vocabulary. Always consult a good dictionary to choose the proper word. For example, instead of using, say sorry, you can use the word, apologize. Instead of using, go up, you can use the word, increase. Instead of using, find out, you can use the word, discover. Instead of using, think about, you can use the word, consider. Instead of using, look at, you can use the word, examine. Instead of using, go against, you can use the word, oppose. 3. Too many passive structures. When you use the passive voice in your sentences, they sound more impersonal and objective, but they are longer and harder to read. On the contrary, active sentences are clear and direct. So, if you want to write a good essay, you should use both types. For example, we are going to watch a movie tonight, is an example of an active sentence. A movie is going to be watched by us tonight, is an example of a passive sentence. A good rule of thumb is to write less than 20% of your sentences in the passive voice. 4. Sentences that are too long or too short. If you use sentences that are too long, you make your essay harder to understand. On the other hand, you can destroy the logical development of your idea if the sentences in your essay are too short. Try to use a good balance of both long and short sentences. 5. Sentences beginning with coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions are mainly used to connect words and clauses in the same sentence. Sometimes we can also use them to start a sentence. But if you begin too many sentences with coordinating conjunctions, your essay will be monotonous. For example, she does not come here to worship or to pray, but she has a sense of rightness and ritual about being here, a sense of duty fulfilled, of some unstated covenant's renewal. It's better to use corresponding conjunctive adverbs like nevertheless, moreover, or however, which have the same meaning. They are more appropriate in a formal context. In this case it is better to write, she does not come here to worship or to pray. Nevertheless, she has a sense of rightness and ritual about being here, a sense of duty fulfilled, of some unstated covenant's renewal. If you need any kind of assistance in essay writing, do not hesitate to contact us. Thanks for watching. For more of our educative video lessons, follow us on Facebook.